fierce, physically violent and frightening.
People will come from all over Spain just to see me, the great Valiente, the fiercest bull of all time.
Cough. Look, Boris, I think ballets were sissies.
Ballet is for the strong, the fierce, the determined, but for the sissies, never. Now,
Detest. To hate someone or something very much.
Oh, Miss Morris. How are you, love?
Wow. I detest this place. I've come for my book.
Rose decided she wanted lavender. She knows I detest the color, so she did it all despite me. If only you'd come.
Sneer. To smile or speak in a very unkind way that shows you have no respect for someone.
I mean, why would I want to say something so I could watch you sneer at me?
Yes, well, we're a perfect match. Her sneer just lights up my day.
and we're always finishing each other's insults.
And they called it
Scowl. To look at someone in an angry way.
You know about getting his new company up and running?
Now, for a few well-placed, withering scowls.
I guess all I
Oh God, he's taken over television. Am I scowling? I want to be scowling.
Encourage. To give someone the courage or confidence to do something.
I rely on you inmates to make prison unpleasant for yourselves. You're encouraged to sexually harass new prisoners, organize no-holds-barred catfights, and maintain poor hygiene.
Try it.
Us, and we encourage him to do so if he has the brains and the fur.
Consider. To think about something carefully, especially before making a decision.
I mean, don't you think there's more to our future than jelly?
Well, I'm also considering a line of jams.
Consider how it impacts everything else we have, and consider that she is full of shit.
Vermin. Small animals and insects that can be harmful.
Oh, you presume correctly. She's taking me to Penny.
You are vile vermin. How do you sleep at night? Penny's...
Rocket, no one's calling you a monster.
He called me vermin. She called me rodent.
Wail. To make a long, high cry, usually because of pain or sadness.
From the moment we enter crying to the moment we leave dying, it'll just cover your face as you wail and cry and scream.
What?
I'm wailing out for the homeless family living out of its car. The Iowa farmer whose land has been taken away by unfeeling bureaucrats. The West Virginia...
Symbol. A sign, shape, or object that is used to represent something else.
Behind you stands a symbol of oppression.
This is a symbol for you slicing his throat. I would not.
Authority. The moral or legal right or ability to control.
And at the request of my therapist and the school authorities, I've retired to the tranquility of nature to discover my divine purpose.
Fine. You can be in charge. You fix the plane.
Who gives you the authority to put me in charge?
Okay, then. I'll...
Neutral. Not supporting any of the people or groups involved in an argument.
These campaign buttons are all partisan. Don't you have any neutral ones? May the better man...
Linkler's a crazed maniac. It's just a misguided effort of mine to create a morally neutral super leader by combining the DNA of Adolf Hitler and Abraham Lincoln. Turns out it just...
Trifle. A matter or object of little value or importance.
Will you excuse me? I think my lawyer's getting a trifle nervous.
With my skills, even this small trifle of smurfiness will yield me just enough power to catch them all. Oh, I must...